Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have a Barnes & Noble haul. And so after my meeting every month, not every month, but most of the time after my meeting on the second Tuesday of the month, I get to go to Barnes & Noble's. So this time I went and I picked up these cute little, this one's called Little Bunny. And it's a cute little book. And I'm excited to have this, and I think it'll make a really cute little decoration standing up, and then also be a book. And there was also a little duckling. I love the pictures and I love the story. And I do have little ones that come around, so I like to have children's books around. I went ahead and I picked up Disney's A Wrinkle in Time. I'm hoping it's the, even though it's the movie, I'm hoping it's the original. This was my favorite book when I was a kid. However, I am looking forward to reading it to remember it. Because one of the things about, I honestly don't remember it, but I remember that it was my favorite book as a kid. So, time to read it again. And I had a coupon, so I got 40% off. I got 20% or 30%, 40 something. I think it was 20 and 20. Yeah, I got 20%, and because I was a member, the coupon gave me an extra 20. Then I picked up The Secret Lives of Dogs. The Real Reasons Behind 52 Mysterious Canine Behaviors. Actually, we have several of our grandchildren that love animals and want to know everything about them. But I have one grandson that really wants to know about dogs. I really like the way this is put together. Talks about burying bones. I mean, it just has, why do they do these things? Why do they like to chase cats? Why do they chew on shoes? Why do they paw before they lay down? So I'm looking forward to learning about that and also giving that to my grandson. So they had in their clearance, they had books for $2, and this was one that was $2. And I liked the patterns that were in it. So I was like, okay, I'll get it. Look at the bicycle. Stitched. You just stitch a bicycle. Stitch. Isn't that cute? So, yeah. So I picked that up. I think that it'll be fun. And now look how cute that is. A French press apron. So, very, very cute. So I think this is really, really fun. And we'll go ahead and go on to these. So this is the card making and paper crafts. And it has 4 gifts in it. And I'll go ahead and open it so you can see it in case you decide that it's something that you actually would. Oh, so sorry. Scissors hit my stand. So you get these 3 edge dies, these 3 metal edge dies. I thought they were really cool and will be fun to use. So I got those 3 metal edge dies. They're like card size. And Signature Collection by Sarah Davies. I have some of her other things. I really do love them. And so with your, always cracks me up, with your 4 gifts, and this is your other gift. So this is from Crafter's Companion, and it is a shabby chic paper pad. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's double-sided, and it is so pretty. So, so pretty. And it looks like you get 2 of each page, or of most of the pages. There's that one. That's interesting. This one is the same on both sides, just kind of moved over. Oh, no, it is the same on both sides. There's the floral with the blue, Williams, pink on the back. Ah, so yeah, you get 2 of each because that's the one in the back. And there's that one. Okay, so now this time, this one has blue on the back. And the blue one has Williams on the back. So they've got different, different prints on the back. I like this. Look at the spoon. Very pretty. So this comes with, you get 31 beautiful pages to complement your signature collection die set. And then you get a magazine. So it's going to give you, look at, this is how they use the die. So they used this one here in the center, and then used the scallopy one on this side and the plain one on this side. So they actually did make an edge. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. So, and then they're going to show you several ways to use that. And then they'll give you other ideas in here. Art stencil card with Barbara Gray. And you know, it's everybody loves the internet, but I really love to have, oh, look at this. I love to have a magazine to hold in my hands. So here's your paper bonus. Look at, it looks very summery, but I love the daisy paper. And it's 2-sided of the same paper. Very, very cool. I think this will be really fun to use. And we will be driving this weekend, so I will have a chance to look at this. So I'll be putting that in the car. And I cannot wait. I will be making something out of this. I don't know what, but something beautiful. And then I got this one, Creative Stamping. It's one of my favorite magazines. And they always have wonderful stamp sets. You've seen them if you watch my channel. I really look at all those stamps. So this one was $16.99. I have the membership thing, so I get 10% off my purchases. But I will be doing the board for my brother for his funeral, and although he was in a wheelchair, one of his favorite things was to dance. And in the last couple years, he and my dad would sing. So, and he just kind of hummed. He didn't actually sing, but the stamps were perfect. I will be using this on some of the things for the reception or the party, and then I also love this microphone. Right now we have a microphone like this for our amateur radio, so it's not very often that I get stamps and things that I can use in my life that have to do with that. So this one says, dance to the beat of your own drum. And this one, sing your own song. We can't always choose the music life plays for us, but we can choose how we dance to it. Love that. Time to drink champagne, dance on the table. Look at this. Look at that. Is that not the coolest? Put on your dancing shoes. My husband and I both love to dance too. So this is perfect. My brother's birthday was Saturday, and he was offshore, and he plays guitar, so I'll probably do something with the guitar for his birthday. Actually, both of my boys play the guitar as well. So So I'm really, really happy with this. Look how beautiful that is. And this. I mean, I can just see this being used. I can see this going in the pinup little book that I'm making as well. So, and then of course you buy the stamps and you get the magazine. Not really, but that's kind of what it's like. So again, you get another awesome magazine with ideas. It's going to show you other ways to use the stamps that you receive. There's a lot of advertising in them, things that are coming out. So I've always really liked that. Don't need it as bad as before, because as we know, we can find out about things on the internet now, where back in the day, maybe not so much. Look at how cool that looks. And the people dancing makes me think of American Bandstand or Wonderama. Everybody dance and freeze. So anyway, that is my Barnes & Noble haul. I would love to know what your favorite thing is. I loved it all, or I wouldn't have purchased it. So, love to know. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.